A home hobby, indoor garden. Once upon a time, there was a woman named Ava who lived in a small apartment in the middle of a busy city. She loved eating fresh fruits and vegetables, but the produce in the grocery stores always seemed to be lacking in quality and flavor. One day, she decided to start growing her own food indoors. Ava did some research and learned that there were many different types of food that could be grown indoors, including herbs, leafy greens, tomatoes, and even small fruits like strawberries. She decided to start small and focus on growing some herbs and lettuce. The first thing Ava did was find a sunny spot in her apartment where she could set up her indoor garden. She chose a windowsill that got plenty of sunlight throughout the day. Then, she gathered all the equipment she would need, including planting containers. Ava chose to use some small pots for her herbs and a larger container for her lettuce. Soil. She used a high-quality potting soil that was rich in nutrients. Seeds. Ava purchased a variety of herb and lettuce seeds from a local nursery. Grow lights. Since her windowsill didn't get enough sunlight for her plants to thrive, Ava invested in some LED grow lights to provide additional light. Watering can. She filled this up regularly to water her plants. Fertilizer. Ava used an organic fertilizer to help her plants grow strong and healthy. Ava had done her research on organic seeds and understood why they were better than conventional seeds. She knew that organic seeds were grown without the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, which meant that the plants grown from these seeds were healthier and more resistant to pests and diseases. In addition, organic seeds were typically open-pollinated, meaning that they were not genetically modified and could be saved from year to year, preserving their unique characteristics and biodiversity. This was important to Ava, who wanted to support sustainable agriculture practices and maintain a diverse range of plant species. For her indoor garden, Ava chose to use a high-quality organic potting soil that was formulated specifically for container gardening. The brand she chose was Fox Farm Ocean Forest Potting Soil, which was made with a blend of organic ingredients such as sea-based compost, fish and crab meal, worm castings, and forest humus. This soil was rich in nutrients and had a balanced pH, which helped her plants grow strong and healthy. In addition, it had a light texture that allowed for good drainage and aeration, which was important for container gardening. For her fertilizer, Ava chose to use an organic brand called Dr. Earth Organic 5 Tomato, Vegetable and Herb Fertilizer. This fertilizer was made with a blend of organic ingredients such as alfalfa meal, fish bone meal, kelp meal, and feather meal, which provided a slow-release source of nutrients for her plants. It was also enriched with probiotics and mycorrhizae, which helped to promote healthy root growth and improved nutrient uptake. This fertilizer was easy to use, and Ava found that her plants responded well to it, producing strong, healthy growth and flavorful fruits and vegetables. The Fox Farm Ocean Forest Potting Soil and Dr. Earth Organic 5 Tomato, Vegetable and Herb Fertilizer were some of the best soil and fertilizer brands available today. These organic products were made with high-quality ingredients that provided essential nutrients for indoor plants without the use of harmful chemicals or synthetic additives. By choosing these products, Ava was able to grow a healthy and productive indoor garden, filled with flavorful and nutritious fruits and vegetables. Once she had everything she needed, Ava got to work planting her seeds. She carefully followed the instructions on the seed packets, making sure to plant them at the correct depth and spacing them out properly. She watered them regularly and made sure the grow lights were on for several hours each day. Within a few weeks, Ava's indoor garden started to flourish. Her herbs were growing tall and strong, and her lettuce was starting to form small heads. She was thrilled to be able to harvest her own fresh produce right in her own home. As time went on, Ava continued to experiment with different types of plants and equipment. She added more grow lights and started growing tomatoes and even small cucumbers. She learned about the benefits of hydroponics and started growing some of her plants using this method. Growing food indoors quickly became one of Ava's favorite hobbies. She loved the satisfaction of being able to eat something she had grown herself, and she loved being able to share her bounty with her friends and family. She realized that with a little bit of knowledge and the right equipment, anyone could grow their own food indoors and enjoy the benefits of fresh, healthy produce. Make this a hobby and grow at home, indoors. Happy indoor gardening!